Close your eyes and count to 10. Make a wish now. Open them. Here's a store that's like no other. If it were, I wouldn't bother. Chocolate bushes, chocolate trees, chocolate flowers and chocolate bees, chocolate memories that a boy once saved before they melted away. A world of your own, a place to escape to, a world of your own, where you can be free, wherever you go, wherever life takes you. This is your home, a world of your own. Here is the child that you left behind. Here is the kid with the curious mind. Here is the wonder we used to feel back when the magic was real. A world of your own, a place to go when you're feeling alone, feeling unsure. Embrace the unknown, enjoy the adventure. Let's go strolling in the clouds. Grab a handful, it's allowed. Clouds are made of cotton candy. Just keep your